What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Object Oriented. If you are new to my channel, then please click on subscribe button and let's do it. So today our topic is how we can fix an error into Google Search Console named as duplicate Google choose different canonical than user. So first of all, let's see the definition of this error. You need to go onto Google and here you need to see the definition. This status message means that Google has found two or more pieces of content of your site that are identical or very similar. However, when Google went to choose a canonical version of the content, the one that should be indexed, it choose a different URL than the one you selected. So I hope it is clear now. So to fix this issue, you need to go back into your WordPress dashboard, and here you need to go into plugins and install a new plugin name as Yoast SEO. And I believe that most of you have already installed this plugin. So in case if you don't have, you need to search here Yoast. It is very popular plugin. So yes, you can see that plugin. I have already installed it. Then you need to go back into pages and you need to click on edit your home page or your static home page, front page, whatever you call. So here you need to scroll down and you need to click on advanced button, and here you will see that canonical URL field. Here you need to add this this URL. I have already installed it and started the validation process to explain my previous students. So I'm repeating this process. You need to copy this one and go back into front page, edit, advanced and canonical URL field. Here you need to paste that link here, and then you need to click on update. And after doing that, you need to go back into Google Search Console, and here you need to click on inspect this URL button, and then you need to click on live indexing, and it will take just 1 to 2 minutes, so you need to wait a little bit, and let's wait together. So don't forget that you need to just add that URL in this section, canonical URL field. So it is very important because Google will know that which page you want to index, or you want to add a canonical tag. So here you can see everything is fine. You need to go back into pages, and here you need to click on this error, and here you will see that validate fix button. I have already started the validation process, but you will see that a validate fix button, you need to click on it and you will see a same text like this: validation started, the date and everything. So within 1 to 2 weeks Google will reply, because after the recent update of Google Search Console, it became a little slow and their crawlers are performing very slow. So you need to wait, and everything will be fine. So see you in the next video, and before leaving, please click on subscribe button. We are at 1.3k. we need to go to 2.0k subscribers. It's not too much then, so please help me to reach my goal. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.